Hi everybody, I'm Candace from Yogabycandace.com and I'm really excited to share this everyday long-wearing makeup look with you. So I'm an international yoga instructor and I run my own business, so it's constantly go, go, go for me all the time, and I need makeup that can keep up with me. This is an everyday makeup look that I love to do because no matter what the day has in store for me, whether I'm filming content for my own channel or leading a retreat or a workshop, I always feel polished and put together. This look features products from Revlon's ColorStay collection, which is great because it offers medium to full coverage foundation for a really pretty finish. Then you also have this smoky eye look, which is daytime appropriate but can take you into night as well. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna start off with the Revlon ColorStay makeup in color True Beige, number 320. And I'm using the formula for normal to dry skin because that's what I have. But if you have oily or combination skin, there's another formula for you. I like it because it's a medium to full coverage and it's really buildable. And it also has an SPF 20 in it. So if you're traveling often like I am, you know that you'll be covered. So I'll just pump the foundation onto my hand. Then I'll take the Revlon foundation brush and work it into my skin. I like to choose a foundation color that is a shade or two darker than my face because my body tans really naturally and I want my face to match my body. I'm also careful to blend the foundation down the neck so that from the face to the body you have a seamless transition. The next step is concealer. I'm using Revlon ColorStay concealer in color medium. Like I told you, I like to pick a foundation color that is a shade or two darker than my natural skin tone and then go in and brighten up with a lighter concealer. So I like to apply it in an inverted triangle underneath my eye because that helps to brighten up underneath the eye and down the center of the face. I also like to do a couple lines right up here and then down the center of the nose. From here, I'll go in with a blending sponge and work it in. See? Now that I have the base done, I'm gonna start focusing on the eye look. To begin, I'll start with the Revlon ColorStay eyeshadow primer, which I like because it helps to make the eyeshadow pop. So what I do is just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'll just take my finger and dab it onto the lid. So primer is great because it helps the eyeshadow colors to really pop, but it also helps to keep the eyeshadow color from creasing on the lid. So now I'll begin the smoky eye look. To create it, I'm using the Revlon ColorStay 16-hour eyeshadow palette in Moonlit. So as you can see, you have some really nice earth tones here, which I love because it's a nice neutral look. You can wear it every day and you can intensify it for a nighttime look as well. This does come with an applicator, but today I'm going to be using the Revlon All Over Shadow Brush. So I'm gonna start with the champagne color. I'm gonna put it all over the lid. And one tip is to make sure that you tap off the extra product on the brush so that you don't have fallout onto your foundation. From here, we're gonna go into this taupe brown color. We're gonna use the crease shadow brush to put it in the crease. Another tip I've learned is to move in super small circles so you get the product evenly through the crease. And then I always finish with a little windshield wiper action. So now using the same crease shadow brush, I'm going to go into the deepest color here and apply it just on the outer V of each eye to create an intense smoky look. So you want to put the product on the outer corner of the eye and then blend inwards. Using the darkest shade once again, I'm going to go in with a Revlon smoky eye brush, taking the angled side and just putting a little bit of product underneath the lower lash line. I like to get as close to the lashes as I can and then just go into the middle part of the eye as well. So for the last step, I will go in with the lightest color here using the smoky eye brush and just put it into the inner corner of each eye. I love this step so much because it really helps to make the eye appear more open. So if you're really tired, this is a really good trick. So this is the completed shadow look. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to use Revlon's Mega Multiplier Mascara in black. I also like to apply mascara to the bottom lashes to really help open up the eye. So to complete the look, I like to end with a neutral, natural, rosy lip. So I'm going to be using Revlon's ColorStay Overtime Lip Color in Perennial Peach. It's really cool because it has the lip color on one side and then a top coat on the other. So I'll start with the lip color. Then I like to wait a second to kind of let it set, and then I'll finish with the top coat. This is going to help lock in the color. So this is the final look. I love it because it's really versatile, it's long wearing, and it keeps up with my active lifestyle. So whether I am shooting content for my YouTube channel or taking photos after my yoga workshops, I know I'm always going to be camera ready. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a shot and let me know how it goes for you down in the comment section below. Don't forget to head over to Revlon.com to learn more about the ColorStay collection, and be sure to subscribe to their channel here on YouTube and check out the other videos I created with them. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon.